Yeah, it's nasty.
Look how nasty.
Looks brand new.
Boom. Some of you guys had asked me to do a video on the SC1. Now this is stuff we've used a long time. A lot of you have probably been using this stuff. It's really good stuff. We have it on our website, rngperformance.net. You can get it there. Pretty good price too. I just wanted to show you. So we just got done washing this thing, and as you can see, it's still a little, you know, a little crusty, if you will. So you could clean this up and scrub a dub, but we got the brush out and quickly went over it. But if you really want a quick shine, check this out. I also want to show you what it'll do to the tires as well. Look at this tire. You could scrub this tire and put tire shine on it, but why buy another product when this does the same thing? Check it out. Nice,
It's so
clean.
shiny.
It is very shiny. This stuff works. I mean, it does. And the best part about this stuff is it doesn't soak in and then look dull in 15, 20 minutes. It will stay like this for days and days until you take it out and get it dirty again. Now, to show them that it won't fade, I'm going to show them the other side that I done a while ago. There is some spots I didn't do, like this bottom plastic. I just mainly focused on the doors because it's a bigger area for you to see. This is a deep scratch, so no matter what you do, it's staying.
Yeah, that's not going to go away.
Yeah, it's staying no matter what you do. So it's just part of riding, I guess, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this spot down here that I missed. Get that.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah, I did the tires too.
Oh, yeah.
Did the tires.
Oh, yeah, it looks beautiful.
You can spray everything.
It smells like bubble gum.
It does smell good. But I want to make sure I have enough to do
The 110.
this 110.
Got to make that look all shiny
Yep.
for whatever lucky winner gets it.
You can even do the seats. I did the seats. Now our seats were really nasty. Like I didn't scrub them. They were covered in mud. And look, and you can still see where, you know,
Oh, yeah.
they
you
were
can
really
see.
dirty, and I just sprayed them. So
Yeah.
yeah, there you go. It does make it look really good. But SC1, you can find it on my website. This is some really good stuff. Really, it is. It doesn't soak into the plastic and become dry after an hour, 20 minutes, like most stuff does. So there's that. This thing, you can do it today, and it'll be like that till next week, you know?
Till you get it muddy again.
Yeah, till you get it muddy again.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Look how nasty.
Looks brand new.
Boom. So for you folks that want to clean your stuff and make it look really nice with less labor, there you go. We use it. It also, so one good thing about it is once it's on here, it will make mud fall off. It won't stick to the plastic. So if you do this after every ride, after you clean it, it'll clean up a lot better because mud and stuff won't stick to it. Now, some say dust will be attracted to it, and that is true. Dust is going to be attracted to it, but you rinse and it leaves. It doesn't get stuck into the plastic and make it look crappy.